The essential benefits of our platform: reducing the cost of operations for the facility, reduce the emissions, improve the well-being of both the staff and the patient by organizing things better, improve the control and auditability of the operations. Most hospitals, if you're probably aware, are using BMS systems integrated to a great degree, but the IoT platform that we offer, in addition, can do monitoring for the smart equipment, does IT system integration, can integrate data from various different legacy systems like HVACs. It's easy to scale, and effective result is creating a digital twin. So, the end outcomes are a lot better, and we have a dashboard which gives you insights into what is happening in your building and with patients. So that's the use case for facilities. Adaptive hospital management, we look at cybersecurity compliance, equipment monitoring, social distancing. We measure the use of water, energy. We can do waste management, temperature monitoring, asset management, space monitoring, and alarms monitoring. So we implemented the solution with the Smart Pharmacy and the NHS Foundation Trust. We've potentially given them a saving of about £500,000 per annum. We worked with the storage of essentially with fridges and spaces where we store critical medicines, and we ensured the alarms were triggered at the right time when it was not at the optimum. We've also done smart space monitoring for NHS, and again, some potential cost saving of up to £100,000. Those are the 5 layers of technology. So we work with the sensors, the WAN, the Wi-Fi, the network, and our IoT platform, which is Velocity. And that's where we give the analytics. That's an example of our analytics dashboard.